How to link debit card or credit card to PayPal account. Welcome to the channel and let's start with a tutorial. So first and foremost, open up your PayPal application, or if you are doing this process from the web browser, the process is pretty similar. So once you are logged into your PayPal account, at the very top you will see a setting gear option. You have to go ahead and select the option of the setting gear. There you will see one option called Banks and Card. Now you have to go ahead and select Bank and Card. At the top you will see this option of Debit or Credit Card. You simply have to go ahead and select this option. Once you tap on it, it will open up a layout where you have to enter your card number, your CVV expiration date, then just select the option of Link Card. Once you enter all of the credentials correctly, your debit card or your credit card will be automatically added to your PayPal account, which means from now on you can easily pay using the particular debit or credit card. If you face any of the difficulty regarding the process, you can check out the PayPal support as well, or you can even contact the customer service of PayPal. And that's pretty much it for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.